up, guys? Today we're going to be playing with paper airplanes. We made all the good ones, which we're going to launch from here all the way up to there. In our
if you guys like Minecraft, look. Minecraft.
And I'm going to be the one who launches every single one. Give my friends in here. And let's do this.
Hello.
Let's do this plane. 3, 2, 1. Still not bad. That's pretty good. But it comes back. That's why. This one, it goes pretty far all the way into the kitchen. And then this
Hold up. We're all the way right there.
over there. Yeah.
In the middle of the camera.
And then watch. Now you guys will see this one.
Hold up.
Fix this. 3, 2, 1. And like the other one, it went on.
It went on. If you guys can see it, I'll get a little bit closer. It actually got stuck right there.
And now testing for the second plane, well, the third.
Here, I'll show you guys. Look it. It's right
There.
here.
Okay, next turn. Now we're doing the next plane. Let's do
Hold
this.
up.
Okay, let's just get the next plane on.
Here, hold up.
Okay, that's where it's at. That's where it's at.
There.
Okay,
There you
let's
go.
go. Now this is the second, this is the third. Slingshot. This one I call Big Boy. It does pretty good.
Here, hold up. All right, go.
It goes really high.
Here, can I do one?
Yeah, hold up. Let me do this one.
All right.
I call this the limo because it's so long. Wait, hold up. This launch.
Limos are not to fly.
That is true.
Here.
But do you see how it's spun though?
Here you go.
Okay, you'll do one and I'll do the rest.
This one called the electric.
Electric? Our friend is doing more. He never. He just lost the war. AKA, we made all the best planes. His is that purple one. I don't know how good it flies. Let me just grab his purple one. Thank you. And guys, look, I have his plane. His purple one is actually really nice. We might have to make an offer with him to see if we could have his purple plane. Yo, Mr. Friend, could we have your purple plane? I'm just kidding. Well, your pink plane. So this actually turned from paper airplanes into a paper airplane war. And our little sister just ruined the plane. Ooh. What happened in here, guys? What are you guys? It's okay, guys. We full have proof. Had a farm easier, and he's trying to get in, and the door's locked. He's trying to get in, but he cannot get in because he sucks at opening doors. What are you trying to do, sir? Hey, what you doing? Sir? Sir?
Nothing like this.
What the heck? Why did you destroy the plane? That's what you get for destroying the plane. Mr. Friend, may you lock the door. Thank you. I just need to go to the bathroom. I'm just gonna... They're being crazy right now. Just to tell you now, link in subscription. Go check out my friend's channel. What are you guys doing out here? What is that? Whoa.
Okay.
It turned from planes. Well, this will be part... Bye, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you next time.